This is a demo of the provider experience for United Healthcare. So here we have a provider, Penny, who's in a doctor's office, and she's navigating the portal. She's clicking through, and she's found the link self-service tools. Now, Penny needs to ask a couple questions, and she sees this message us option. So rather than going through all of these self-service tools, she's just going to go ahead and start a conversation. Keep in mind that all of this is fully customable, so you can brand that button and this window to match your preferences. I just went ahead and said hi to start up a conversation, and I'm connected to the virtual assistant for healthcare providers. So here I'm given a menu with several options, and we can use this menu to detect intent, and we can use that for either automation or for smart routing to route providers to the appropriate advocate. In this case, Penny is actually having trouble logging into the site. So in this case, she might be a new admin who isn't able to get in yet. So I'll just go ahead and use natural language understanding here so that she can say, I can't log into the site. So the bot here is going to detect this intent and confirm. It sounds like you're having login issues. In this case, I'm going to take Penny through a couple different troubleshooting steps here. So instead of having to escalate directly to an advocate to be able to handle these set of instructions, this is something that you can easily automate and take off the table there. So first we want to ask if Penny's a new user, which she's. And unfortunately, she's not able to work with the office admin to help troubleshoot this issue. And did not receive a TIN here. So got no security code. Okay, so in this case, the bot is going to provide some instructions for where to go for new users to be able to actually connect their TIN and sign in with their Optum ID and password. And then in this case, it's telling her that she prompted to enter information about herself. And then at this point, the primary administrator will receive an email to approve her access. So that's gone ahead, fully automated flow where we were able to assist Penny end to end with that problem. Fully automated, have to escalate to a human agent. So let's go through another step. Okay, she's onboarded, she's got access now. So at this point, she's gonna start doing some of these prior authorization requests. So the first one we'll see here is checking requirements. So again, the bot is going to confirm the intent for prior authorization and notification, and we're going to get a couple different options in terms of what you can do here. So I do want to check requirements here, and at this point, the bot can go ahead and ask some questions up in order to gather information. So asking for the provider's NPI, then asking for the member ID of the patient, and the authorization code. Okay, so we can use all of this information that we've collected to integrate with backend systems, verify that information. So in this case, based on the information provided by Penny, we can go ahead and confirm the provider and the patient. And at this point, we can be based on that code that it does not require authorization and the patient's plan is currently active. So that's, again, a full end-to-end flow. That's a little more complex where we had some back-end integrations in place to go ahead and actually retrieve information from the system for that. So next we'll do one where maybe it's a little more complex and cannot be fully automated. So at this point, I'm gonna just go ahead and say thanks. And the bot is going to ask if there's anything else I can help with. So I'll say, yes, can I check the status of a different request? So again, changing intent here. So we were previously checking requirements. Now we're checking the status of a request. So it's again going to ask for the patient's member ID. Asking if this is the correct provider. And we're going to go ahead and collect some patient information here. Oops. Okay, collecting the authorization number. And at this point, now that I've collected this information, the bot is going to go ahead and escalate me to a human advocate who can verify this information and go ahead and check the status of this specific auth request.